Hello friends, and a warm welcome to our teacher Miss Namrata and to my classmates. Myself Dibjyoti Sarkar along with my team members Rahul Das, Sutapa Das, Somnath Samanto and Swapnonil Tungo present our documentary to you all. The topic of our documentary is advertisement. So let's begin. Advertisement is a popular communication force, highly visible and one of the most important tools of marketing communications that helps to sell products, services, ideas and images, etc. Many believe that advertising reflects the needs of the times. One may like it or not, but advertisements are everywhere. Advertisements are seen in newspapers, magazines, on television and internet and are heard on radio. The average consumer is exposed to a very large number of advertisements every day, particularly the urban and suburban.
Objective of advertisement to increase support. Advertisement increase the morale of the sales force and distributors, wholesaler and retailers to simultaneous sales amongst present, former and future customers. It involves decision reading the media. To retain loyalty of present and former consumers. To protect image, advertising is used to promote an overall image and respect and trust for an organization. To communicate with consumer, what is included advertisement? The information of an advertisement should benefit the buyers. It should give them more satisfactory expenditure of their rupees. It should suggest better solution of their problems. The content of the advertisement is within the control of the advertiser, not the medium. Advertising generally includes the following forms of mediums: the message carried on newspaper, magazines, radio, television, broadcasts, etc. Dealer sells material, store signs, motion picture used, advertising. What is excluded from advertising? Advertising is not exact science, and advertiser circumstances are never identical with those another. He cannot predict the accuracy what result his future advertising efforts. Advertising is not a game because if advertising is done properly, both the buyer and the seller benefit from it.
In this modern era of internet and electronics, the advertisement became a major and as well as the most innovative way to spread out the goodwill of any product, scheme or market related agenda. The advertisement makes the product easier to reach the maximum people throughout the globe. Advertisement of any product includes several ways and characteristical points to reach, to follow, and to make a good advertising setup. The very first thing an advertising needs is the payment procedure to create an advertising message and to buy some media slot as well as to observe the advertising efforts. As advertisement promotes the goodwill and the properties in the sense of market evaluated points of any product, so it is undoubtedly a tool for promotion to the organization. It also serves as a one-way communicator where the brand reach the customer or buyer through different mediums. Now, the advertisement may be personal like social media advertisement or non-personal like TV or radio, depending on the features and purpose of its use. The basic examples of advertising might be print, such as newspaper, magazines, or maybe broadcast like in television or radio. A wide range of outdoor advertisement we notice in our daily life are hoardings, banners, flags, wraps, etc. The covered advertisement that displayed over internet and digital devices during browsing is a new one, but the effective one. And lastly, the public service advertisement where the product is placed in entertainment media like TV shows, YouTube videos are very common in these days. So that the characteristics and different way of advertisement can make a big difference and become the beneficial and crucial for marketing, selling and business development of the organization to make in a profitable way.
Importance of advertising. Number one, introduce a product. Advertising is most commonly used for the introduction of a new product in the market. It does not matter that there is a new or existing company, they all need advertising to launch their new product. Number two, spreading awareness. Advertisement aware people about new or existing product and services in the market that will accomplish their needs or solve their problems. A typical advertisement will tell you what the service or product is, where it can be bought, for how much, by whom, why it should be bought, so on. Number 3. Convenience. Targeted informative advertisement make the customer decision making process easier as they get to know what's with their requirements and budget. Number 4. Better quality. Only brand advertise themselves and their products. There are no advertisement of unbranded products. This ensures better quality to the customers as no brand wants to waste money or false advertisement. Number 5. Brand image. Clever advertising helps the business to form the desired brand image and brand personality in the minds of the customers. This is the example of McDonald's. Number 6. Product differentiation. Advertising helps the business to differentiate its products from those of competitors and communicate its features and advantages to the target audience. Actually, advertising helps making people aware of the new product so that the consumers come and try the products. It helps creating goodwill for the company and gains customer loyalty after reaching a mature age.
Some advantages are present in advertisement. Those are: number 1, reduce per unit cost. Number 2, helps in brand building. Number 3, helps in launching new product. Number 4, boost of existing customers' confidence in the brand. Number 5, helps in reducing customer turnover. Number 6, attracts new customers. Number 7, educated new customers. Here is also some disadvantages in advertisement. Those are: number 1, increases the costs. Number 2, confuse the buyer. Number 3, is sometimes misleading. Number 4, only for big business. Number 5, encourage the sale of inferior product.